Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I want to show you how to do the phase one of the project. So if you go to Visual Studio to open it, then you go to you must have Windows, of course, do not work with Mac. So if you don't have Windows, you need to use the lab for that purpose. You have it. Visual Studio, any version, 2022 or 2019, all of them working. So you go to here to select create a new project, and from the new project you will go to of course here C# and platform here Windows platform, and then desktop. You need desktop, not console. Actually console we have for that, but here we need a form. And you can find two possible of these, Windows Form App and Windows Form App .NET Framework. I'm going to use this one. Okay, you can pin it here for the future if you want to use it. Anyway, select this, go to the next, and you select where you want to put it here. I have a place here which is in experiment something. This is the location. You can select any location and give it something like, I'm going to call it phase one, which is usually your group, your group number. So you can say group A, let me call it group A, or phase 1A, phase 1A, like that, depending on your group. Keep everything like that, and then go to the create, and this will create to you a form, which is the main form. You can change the name of it if you wish, which is called form 1. Every form created to you as by default form 1, form 2, form 3, like that, but usually you can name it. And this is the form. You see, you can change the size as you like, and this is important here to see. This is the Explorer. If you don't have it, you can go to View and get the Solution Explorer. If you don't have it, all these you can get them from here. Okay, so this is the form 1, and the name is form 1. I'm going to rename it. Right click and go to rename. Usually the form start with FRN to filter, like, this is a form. I'll give it a name. Let me say form up. Okay, form up for the application. You want to change everything? Yes. Okay, so that is here, but as you see, the name of it is form here, form 1, because the text of it is form. If you click here and go to the property here, and the property here, you will see the text called form 1. If you want to change that to something like whatever required, first that change to a restaurant here. And as you see here, this is the icon of it. If I run it here to see how the icon appear, okay, you run it, where the form going to appear, it's going to appear into I have more than one screen. In fact, this is in this screen appear here. So if I want to do the center here, I'll show you what. You see, this is the icon. The icon appear here, the bottom here. So if you want to change the picture of that, that would be easy. Okay, I'm going to stop it. I do a few things. I want to change the icon. Where you change it, you have to select the form first. Okay, this is the form. You go to icon here. See? So you can go from here and select the icon. Icon is sort of image, but end with ICO. So if you don't have it, any paint file, any picture you want, there are a few or many software online or something converted to icons. So convert to icon, paint to icon, or JPK to icon. Then when you have the icon, you just put it there. It will show instead of this, which is the general picture, show you a special picture. That's the point. Okay, I wanted to run when it is run in the middle. I wanted, so there is something here All start position or something like that. Let me find it. Start position. See the start position here? It's default place. I want to make it in the center. So that means when I run it now, it should be in the center, appear in the center. Which is good to have it in the center because we have other forms. You see, it's appearing. So we have other forms. We want them to be above it. So that's good. Okay. Now, what I want to do, I want to fix the size. The size is here. See the size here? 800, 500, 500. That's the length and width. I'm going to make it 600 by 400, nothing, as you like. By 400. To have it fixed, yeah, I can use it for other things. And this. Okay, 600, 600, 400. Don't worry about this. Okay. Now, what do we need to do? What do we need to do? We need to create a menu here. After the menu, you have to go to here to the toolbox. If you don't have the toolbox, you go to here and get the toolbox from here. And if there's not pin, you can pin it. You see, if you don't pin it, you go here and see, it comes and go. If you want to pin it here, then clips it right here. Okay, you need to find here something in the menu. In the menu, you have menu strip. Drag and drop. See, this is dropped here, but you see it's shown here. You can put here file. As required here file. Underneath the file there is new, open, and manipulate. Then we need here to have team, format. Under the team, you put your names. Student 1, Layla, Mona, Ahmed, whatever. So here, now I'm going to put number 1, number 2, and so on. Here is map, and here is instructions. I'm going to show you how to do the instruction here as okay. Before that, I want picture here, big picture. So go to the picture box. If you don't find it here, just put picture box here. Picture box. Picture box. Okay. Then go to here, drag and like this to have to put all the size. And then I want to put picture here. Go to here, choose image, and go to local resources, import. In the import, you go to where your pictures. Usually it's better to keep it in the file itself because if you upload it and you want to mark it, you can see it where it is. At the moment, let me just go to here to picture to find one of them, which is here. Give me this aircraft. Okay, you see this is not following all that. Let me accept it. Say okay. It's part of it also. So we need to go to here again, and go to the mode and make it switch. There we go. So it is following up all that. So you go and find a picture from the internet. That's required from you to go to the internet and get something. Search for a picture. Search for a picture here. Say here, for instance, restaurant. Saudi restaurant. And then you go to pictures, images, and you select whatever picture suitable to you, save it. Save it. Just like right click here and save image as. Where you put it usually, it's better to put it in the location where you have it. You see my application here in the experiment, and it's called phase 1A, and you go inside here and you go to the bin and the debug. Everything you put it here, your files or pictures or whatever, because you can refer to them easily here, and it will stay with the program. Then when you upload it, it will be uploaded as okay, that's what I will show you this. So now this is okay. If I run it, what happened? It show here the picture and okay, it show that picture, and here nothing, just show these, but nothing here, nothing running. I want to create form, and that form to appear for the instructions. So let's do it. Stop. Okay, how to create form? I go to this solution has project. This is the project. Right click on the project and go to add, then form, and give it a name. I'm going to call it, as you know, you always set it FRM for better convention, instructions. See, now I get another form here. That form is for the instruction. Where is it? Sure. Go to here. There it is. I'm not creating form. Something like. Yes, sure. What is it? Takes time. Very slow. So I have it there. I remember the size of that one is, see, can go between them. The size of that one we set to 400, 600, 400. It's not bigger size. I can make it. That's for, you know, this is because there's a picture here. So on the form itself, see, this is the picture. This is the form. The form is 750. 750. Well, keep 750 and 500. Okay, I'm going to make that a little bit smaller to fit inside. So for no, yeah, that's the application. Okay. Now if I go to this one, make it smaller. This is 800 bigger. So I make it something like 650, and the 500. Then the start like that. The start I make it center, and then okay, it should be in the center. But when I run it, nothing happened. It's run usually as before, because go to the application. Application is the first form. You see, so this is the first form, and nothing happened. I want, when I click on this one, the other form appear here. What I want to do in this form, that's changing the size or something. Your version is better, because I opened many applications here. This is the third application here. I mean, that's why it is too low. I debate on that. Okay, and I'm going to make something here, like you just change the color. Click on that one and go to back color, and these are limited color. Go to custom, and let me make it this color. And I'm going to have here label. You can search for label. Label, get the label here, click here. I have label here, so I can change this to any text I want to have. Go to the text of that label. You have to select it first. This is label one. You need to give it a name. That's fine. Go to the text. It's called label. Now you can write whatever. This blah 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 blah, like that. Then you can have it. You can change the size of it. Remove it like that. Okay. You can make it here. You can change the size of it here because fixed size, fix on the size of the letters. So even if you change the letters, let me change the letters if you want to change it. You go to the font here, click on the font, and you can change the color of the font or whatever. 12 or 14, bold. You can select whatever type here. This. Maybe this one, but maybe bigger. There you go. But you see this is too big the size. I want to control that. How to control it? I go to the auto size. I select the label, auto size, and click this, change it to false. And the size here you can play with it as you like. Okay. Put here something like that, and then there are many things you can play here, like align it or whatever. And you can get picture here, picture box, put it here. That's your picture or something like that. Okay, and you know how to put the picture here. Okay, so this is called form instruction. If I run it, it will not go here. How to link this to that? I want when I click on this one, it will go here. Double click in here. This takes you to this method. And that method, what's the name of that form? Is called FRM. That's why I put FRM to see all of them in front of me. So FRM instructor. Give it a name like instructor or something. And tap, it will make it yours automatically. Then instruction, okay, show dialog. It's done for you. Done. Run it. And then after you run it, when you click on this one, here we go, but that's big. See? Because of the size. It's nice if you make the size smaller. Okay, that's fine. Close that one. Go again. Okay. There's no picture, of course. There's nothing like this. I want, for instance, to have this to show me the number. I want a form for the number. So create for each of you, each member, create one for your style. Make it nice and colored and whatever. Okay, and put your picture if you want, about your profile or what you are. And then now let me go to this one. Let me program it. How to program it? Stop it and go to the main form application. If it is closed, all of it is closed. Let me imagine it is closed. Close all tabs. Close. How you get back? Don't click on any. Go to the form itself. No, not this. No, the form itself. Double click here. Okay, that will give you the form. My computer is very slow today for some reason, as I told you, because I opened everything. I have 3 screens, open everything here. Okay, but it should have that form. Anyway, okay. If you run it, okay. How to do that? It's easy, like what we did with the instruction. You go to the theme and select the number you want to link it. Double click on it. When you double click on it, it takes you to here. You do the. I'm going to use the same form. Of course, you have to get another form. Put it here, and each one has its own form. Put it here and run it again. Now the second number, show me the form as the instruction. Okay. So instruction, show me the form, and the second one, show me the form. Of course, each one has its own form. and all these things you can arrange them yourself. So that's done, everything done. If you want to submit it, how to submit it? First of all, if you know what is the location, which I know, the location at the moment is here for me. That's here, here, and here, this one. But if I don't know it, sometimes you forget where it is. You go to here and click on that one. You'll see this is the path. This is where the location. If you just, I'm going to Control A, Control C, and copy it, and then go to here, and I want to get it. How to get it? Control V. So this is the phase 1. I don't want phase 1. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back to here. That's the location where I end up. It's called phase 1. Open this. Find phase 1. This is phase 1. This one. Right click and go to send. Compress. It will be compressed to zip file. This zip file, which is going to be uploaded in the Blackboard in the phase 1. But some people, they try to open this and they say, I lost my program, I lost it. But in fact, you cannot open it. You cannot run it from here. You have to unzip it, then run it. So don't worry about that. Just upload it and the instructor will unzip it and check your report. I hope you have learned all the requirement for the phase 1 as jump start. Then in phase 2 I wanted to do more and more. Thank you.